guys! I'm Angel and welcome to my channel. And today's video, I'm going to share my simple skin routine. So, let's start! So first, I tie my hair like this and I'm gonna wash my hands and wet my face. So after washing my hands and wet my face, I'm gonna use this Dove Sensitive Skin because my skin is very sensitive, and this is fragrance free beauty bar hypoallergenic moisturizing cream. That's why I use this. After washing it, pat it dry. Don't rub it. Yes. What? It's refreshing. So next, I'm gonna use this one. Kala Aloe Vera Toner. Before, I don't use toner because why do I need toner? And then I research for cleaning your skin because washing by soap or anything, it's not enough. So for deep cleansing, cleaning of your face, now that I'm aging, getting old, it's pretty. And this aloe vera soothing and moisturizing. That's why I get this one. And I also do a and it smells so good. This is made in Korea. I just let it set for a while. Allow toner to absorb for best results. So, I use it morning and night. Ako, hindi ako nagme-makeup. Wala pa yung madaming skincare na nilalagay sa face. Tatlo lang yung ginagamit ko, which is yung Dove and this toner and this Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I bought this because of anti-aging moisturizer. I need a moisturizer and I need anti-aging. So, this is perfect. Kasi nga, ang aking skin ay very dry. Yun. Ito, ginagamit ko siya night. And sa morning naman, ito. Moisturize, refresh, and tone. Ito yung gagamitin ko kasi hindi pa namang gabi. Stir na natin. Yan. Wait lang natin ng ilang minutes para ma-absorb din ng ating skin ang ating natural mineral water moisturizer. Yan, first time ko din gumamit nito. Ginagamit daw to sa, I think, before or after nag-makeup ka. Sabi niya, pwede mo siyang gamitin several times. So, parang pag nagda-dry ulit yung skin ko, pwede ko lang siyang spray. So, pang daytime. Lips ko, very dry. Gumagamit na ako ng So, that's it guys for now. Yung aking simple skincare routine. Sana may natutunan kayo. At kung mayroon kayong suggestion or comment lang kayo down below your favorite skincare routine. I-try ko siya. Yan. Kasi nagtutry pa ako ng ibang product na pwede sa aking face. Like yung mga moisturizer and anti-aging. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click that bell button. See you guys next time. Mwah!